So I'm sitting inside and I'm wearing my winter hat because it's cozy. But the weather outside is great. And the only problem is I'm stuck with this project that I have to do today. And I would love to go outside and have a coffee, maybe just walk in the park. But I have to finish this. And you could say, well, you have a video where you say that you can work from your laptop, and that's great and all. And if you haven't watched that, you can check it out somewhere around there. But I just don't want to take any stuff. I don't want to go to a coffee shop. I want to sit on a bench in a park, have a coffee, enjoy nature. And I figured, well, maybe I could just do everything on my phone and not bring any stuff with me. And actually I can. So if you haven't watched the other video with how to connect to Jupyter notebooks which are running on your local machine through your laptop, then I suggest you watch that, because we'll need to set up an openVPN server on our local machine. But if you have already that set up, then there's not really much to do. All you need to do is download this app, so openVPN Connect, and Termux, which is just a Linux emulator with a terminal for your Android device. And all this is for Android device. I don't really use Apple. And yeah, when you have both of those, just move your openVPN connection file to your phone via either Slack, Messenger, Gmail, I don't really care, any will do. And we can just turn off the notebooks here. You can connect to already running server, but I just want to show you how to run everything from your phone. So Docker, daemon, and Jupyter Notebook servers are off now. We can close those. So I pick up my phone. And then I click record. Open up the openVPN app. Go to file, select my VPN file, import. Yeah, the profile seems good. Connected. And then we'll go to Termux. Then we SSH into our computer. But the first time you will try to SSH via Termux, you won't be able to, because you need to install the SSH client. To do that, just type package install open SSH. Well, I have this already installed, so it won't do anything. And yeah, then if you have the package installed, let's just clear the terminal. We can SSH into our PC. Bam, I'm on my PC now. And then what I need to do is run the Docker daemon. So sudo docker d. My password again. I'll really need to hide this. Okay, so the daemon is running. Now we just slide to the right from the left, open a new session. We SSH into our PC using that session as well. Then what we need to do is to actually, run the Jupyter Notebook server. To do that, I have a script. If you want to check what is in that script, I can show you. right now. So that's the script. And we just run it. So documents, my scripts, Termux. Boom. So everything is running. I guess you know your port already if you're running Jupyter notebooks, but to find your port, that one is here, 8888. And now to connect to it, on your PC you would use localhost, but on your phone you need to actually type the IP of the local machine to connect it. So this, and then the port number. As you can see, I have already connected to it. Not my first time doing this. So we connect to it, and we can open this one. And yeah, as Jupyter Notebook is already a browser-based thing, you don't really need any other packages to install or apps to your phone, and you can just run it. So as you can see, the modals and outputs are already here. I can just run something if you want, so just click the run button and it works. So I can just now go outside, sit on a bench, enjoy my life and run Jupyter notebooks from my phone. It's not the most comfortable way, but it's a great weather outside, so why not to go there and enjoy it. That's it for today. Bye.